the topic related to probabilities, tree diagram and related question. A bag contains 10 discs means total sample space is 10. Out of these 10, 7 are black and 3 are white. It means that there are two colors of discs. One is black and other is white. The disc is selected and then replaced. Here the word to be focused is replaced. Replaced mean that if you are taking one chance, after finding out the probability, you have to place that disc again into the basket or relevant box or a bag. It's mean that you can't take that disc with you. After performing the probability, you have to put that disc again into this particular bag which contain 10 discs. It's mean that you are not going to disturb the total sample space. Each time you have to take the total sample space as 10. A second disc is selected. Means after performing first task, you are able to perform second task until or unless you are not supposed to put that disc back into that particular bag. You are not going to have a chance to perform the second activity na. Draw the tree diagram. First task is to draw the diagram, then we have to find out the probability. Let's move toward the uh, tree diagram for these 10 discs. As we know that the total number of discs are 10, so the category of disc is basically black and white. How many black discs are there? 7 black and 3 white. It means probability of 7 black balls will be 7 by 10, whereas the probability of white will be 3 by 10. So right here the probability, that is 7 by 10. For this white, 3 by 10. Now this is the first attempt. You have to do the second attempt as well, because he has mentioned in a question a second disc is selected. This was the first disc. Now you have to select the second disc, that will be selected in this particular way: black and white. Same you have to do the task over here like this: black and white. What was the probability of black? The probability of black was 7 by 10. As I told you earlier, that you are not going to disturb this total sample space, because here the word replace is written. What is the probability of white? That is 3 by 10. Same, 7 by 10, 3 by 10. This is complete tree diagram. Now move toward part number A. Both discs are black. Means I have to find out the probability of both discs are black. Now see over here, black, black. If you match this with this one, you will get black and white. Same way, white and black. Same way, W means white and white. But he is asking about both discs are black. It means the probability of first black is 7 by 10, while the second black ball is also having probability 7 by 10. So what you will do over here, you have to multiply these two probabilities: 7 by 10 by 7 by 10. You will get answer 49 by 100. Tree diagram will help you to find out the probability in a easier way. Now move toward the second part. Both discs are white. Means you have to find out the probability of both discs are white. Means you have to attach WW. What is the probability of white ball over here? That is 3 by 10, and second white ball is 3 by 10. So you will multiply these two probabilities. 3 by 10 multiply 3 by 10. So what you are getting over here? You are getting 9 by 100. That's all. Hope you are enjoying this video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the like icon. Keep watching our video. Thank you.